Hello guys, we're in Namche today and we're going on a picnic to Kitam with my family and I'm gonna take you along with me, okay?
निक्लिँदा चाहिँ पुरा गाडी हेर्ने
चाहिँ यता यो किताम बर्ड स्याङ्चुरीमा आइरहेको छु म अनि यहाँदेखि चाहिँ एउटा यस्तो बाटो रहेछ यहाँदेखि चाहिँ हामी अरू जग्गा मल्लीहरू पुग्छ होइन अन्त यो बाटोलाई चाहिँ हामी वी आर गना फलो थ्रु दिस ट्रेल अन्त वी आर गना टेक यु टु लेट अस सी ओके कस्तो रहेछ oh it's aesthetic that's my little sister Shanvi अनि we are carrying like a picnic basket and the huge fruity and we are walking through this trail and it's super pretty. So Shanvi, how are we feeling here?
I'm feeling really excited to eat
What are the things we are gonna eat here?
pastries.
Pastries? You brought pastries?
Yes, we got
Wow.
two pastries, two muffins,
Ooh, that's cool.
and much more things like sandwiches and all.
Okay. We are going to this picnic spot. Shami, is there like a picnic spot there or you have been here before?
So just a century.
It's a sanctuary. This is famous for birds like peacock. And I have seen like 2 or 3 peacocks before in this area, but when I was when I was traveling through a vehicle, I saw, but I haven't been here on foot. It's a very nice, so like cars and all can't come in. I guess a scooty can. However, and we're hiking right now towards a place we can rest and set our picnic, okay? This actually looks like somebody painted the whole ecosystem here. Like, look at the colors, it's so unreal. Here we can see a frog. There's this pond, a little pond kind of thing. And there we can see a frog. And it's so scary. Guys, anta हामी चाहिँ अहिले we are like that was the pond I showed you before. हामीले यत्रो लाग्दो स्टेयर्सहरुलाई उयो गरेर हैन हामी रुखहरुको लेभलमा छ अहिले अनि हामीले यत्रो स्टेयर्सहरु चढेर चाहिँ हामी यहाँ माथि आइपुगेको and this is where we are gonna have our aerial picnic and look at the trees and we can feel the breeze and it's gonna be awesome. That's all I can tell you. Where is that gaon talako? And we can see हाम्रो hometown पर Namche पर हो अन्त अब हामी ओछ्याएर बस्न आँटेको छौं ओके शान्वी तँ फिल्म ओछ्याएर बस्छ के हुनु ल आमा थाम्छ अलिक टाढा टाढा बस्नुपर्छ नि 4 जना
के पनि हुँदैन
ब्रो
उयो गर्छु।
हाम्रो आमा चाहिँ डराउनु भयो यत्रो भिडियो गर्दै गर्दै चढ्नु भयो तर डराउनु हुँदैछ अहिले हो अन्त ऊ तल कस्तो दामी दिस इज द पिकनिक अनि हामीले सेटअप गरिसक्यो है यो हाम्रो आमा
आमाकोबाट यो
बुवा
तिमीलाई
शान्वी monkeys infested this area and my father is giving him some fruits. We had to get down of there because we were on top of that stature and now we are
आनु एकछिन पर्ख भया अब
we are running away from the monkeys.
मजा आएन एकछिन म्याम
Yes, we are running away from the monkeys, y'all. Damn, like this place is infested with monkeys. Like, oh, look at the every tree. The monkeys are climbing the tree. Like, this is so surreal. We're scared, but we're still marching forward. We are back to civilization. Mrs. Anu, how was the experience?
Oh, it was so bad. I was so scared of monkeys, my dear.
How was the experience, Shanvi Pradhan?
Very good.
Was it adventurous as whatever you wanted?
No.
No?
No.
How was the experience, Bua?
नाइस
We three are the adventurous in the family and are the scaredy cat.